Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom website shortcut icons on your home screen in HOTWAV Note 12. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, since I'm not sure if this is available for any other browsers. And when inside, open whichever website you want to add as a shortcut icon, and also make sure that it's opened throughout this entire process. Now we need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here on the bottom of the list there's Add to Home Screen. Click on it and you'll be able to rename your icon however you like. Click on Add, then Add to Home Screen. Now we can close it and go back to the home screen. In the next and last available space you should see this icon, and you can click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.